Hey guys, so I'm here with a perfume review. I just got the opportunity to try Versace Bright Crystal. You can see this is just like a beautiful bottle already. So if you're looking for a really great gift for someone who is into a fruity, floral, musky scent, Versace Bright Crystal is the way to go. I actually personally love this smell. This fragrance is so good. It has all different types of flowers in it. It is a very light scent. As with fragrances, you spray it on, it smells different on everyone. This product, if you have someone in your families, friends, coworkers that you're gonna be gifting for this holiday season, this is an amazing perfume. It is, like I said before, very florally, but it's very light. It's not gonna give you a headache, it's not too strong. And nothing says like luxury like this bottle right here. I mean, the cap is just like stunning. The bottle is beautiful. This is the 1.7 ounces of the Versace Bright Crystal. And I think personally, it's a really great gift for anybody who loves more of a florally, musky type of fragrance. So definitely check it out. Check it out on my Macy's store. And I hope you enjoyed my perfume review.